That's a clean-up job. And India comprehensive winners by 61 runs. Pakistan have been bowled out for 114. Hardik Pandya, the man to finish things off.
India very clinical in their performance.